Law 12. Fouls and Misconduct. Introduction. Direct and indirect free kicks and penalty kicks can only be awarded for offenses committed when the ball is in play. 12.1 Direct free kick. A direct free kick is awarded if a player commits any of the following offenses against an opponent in a manner considered by the referee to be careless, reckless, or using excessive force. There are 7 of these. Number 1, charges. Number 2, jumps at. Number 3, kicks or attempts to kick. Number 4, pushes. Number 5, strikes or attempts to strike, including headbutt. Number 6, tackles or challenges. And number 7, trips or attempts to trip. If an offense involves contact, it is penalized by a direct free kick. Here are the definitions of careless, reckless, and using excessive force. Careless is when a player shows a lack of attention or consideration when making a challenge or acts without precaution. No disciplinary sanction is needed. Reckless is when a player acts with disregard to the danger to or consequences for an opponent and must be cautioned. Yellow card. Using excessive force is when a player exceeds the necessary use of force and or endangers the safety of an opponent and must be sent off. Red card. A direct free kick is awarded if a player commits any of the following offenses. And there are 5 of these. Number 1, a handball offense, except for the goalkeeper within their penalty area. Number 2, holds an opponent. Number 3, impedes an opponent with contact. Number 4, bites or spits at someone on the team lists or a match official. And number 5, throws an object at the ball, an opponent, or a match official, or makes contact with the ball with a held object. See also offenses in Law 3. Handling the ball. For the purposes of determining handball offenses, the upper boundary of the arm is in line with the bottom of the armpit. Not every touch of a player's hand, arm with the ball is an offense. It is an offense if a player, number 1, deliberately touches the ball with their hand or arm, for example, moving the hand or arm toward the ball. Number 2, touches the ball with their hand or arm when it has made their body unnaturally bigger. A player is considered to have made their body unnaturally bigger when the position of their hand or arm is not a consequence of or justifiable by the player's body movement for that specific situation. By having their hand or arm in such a position, the player takes the risk of their hand or arm being hit by the ball and being penalized. 3. Scores in the opponent's goal directly from their hand or arm, even if accidental, including by the goalkeeper. Or 2. Scores in the opponent's goal immediately after the ball has touched their hand or arm, even if accidental. The goalkeeper has the same restrictions on handling the ball as any other player outside the penalty area. If the goalkeeper handles the ball inside their penalty area when not permitted to do so, an indirect free kick is awarded, but there is no disciplinary sanction. However, if the offense is playing the ball a second time with or without the hand or arm after a restart before it touches another player, the goalkeeper must be sanctioned if the offense stops a promising attack or denies an opponent or the opposing team a goal or an obvious goal-scoring opportunity.